This is a time right now where we really have to be strong. And the upcoming days, hours, for so many, it's hours and weeks and probably months that we are going to have to sustain ourselves. And you just have to be ready for that. I get a lot of calls, a lot of people contacting my office that are very nervous, you know. And I did a video before on just at what level people are scared and fearful. And what I say to you is, this is the time to really be strong. And not I'm not talking physical strong, but mentally strong. This is the time where you have to be mentally strong. And I just encourage everyone to just keep your energy high. And I heard someone on YouTube say, you know how you get rid of coronavirus or the corona pandemic? It's to stop watching TV. And just kind of minimize, the influx of what's happening. We all can walk out our doors and see exactly what's happening to our world, and it is changing. It's forever changing, and you just have to kind of wrap that around your mind as best you can. But know that you know, it has happened before. Maybe not to this degree or exactly like this, but prior, according to history, this has happened in the past. And so just just kind of relax your mind. I guess that's what I want to say. Relax your mind as best that you can. For some, it's going to be impossible, but for those who can, just try meditation. I meditate, and because I'm a Reiki master, I do Reiki every day, and it really has put me in a different perspective. But whatever it is that you can do, be it yoga, be it meditation, walking out in your yard or gardening, whatever it is you can do, just try to relax your mental state and be prepared. It's changing. It's nothing I don't believe anybody can do to stop what's taking place, but you can prepare your mind for it, and that gives you a better ability to make wiser decisions for you and your family. So I just want to share that with everyone. And thank you for listening.